Okay, so I'm going to be swapping out these bars, drop bars, and I'm going to change them for a straight set. Now, I've purchased all the gear that I'll need. Got some new brake cables and etc. I've got a new stem with a slight raise on it. New set of flat bars which need trimmed down. Shimano Tiagra brake levers, and I've got a 10-speed and a 2-speed, well, 2 for dropping the gears and stuff like that. So yeah, that is today's project. So first of all, I need to be releasing all the gears, cables and the brake cables, but first of all I'm going to mark them all so I know which ones, where they go back when I put the new ones in. But yeah, changing the drop bars because I already have 2 bikes, but the Ribble with drops, and I've got my Trek road bike with drops, so I just wanted something a bit more comfortable that I can do my bike touring on. And it's a decent bike, this bike touring, it's my knockabout bike really. But right, let's mark up first where and what cables I'm going to be removing. Okay, so I've released the rear derailleur cable and the front derailleur cable. Got one here, and the other one is down here. So I'll spin the bike around. I can do the brakes now. So I'll loosen the brakes as best I can. And now I'll use the Allen key and take the cables out. Next size up Allen key. That's that one. Released. Okay, handlebars removed. Taken 2 rings off, so my top is flush with the handlebar, the forks stem inside, so that will fit on perfectly now. Taking any slack up with the forks when it joins, that's it there. Right, I've not fully tightened it. I'll go around once I've got everything sorted, then fully tighten everything. Okay, that's the bars in place. I've cut them down. Both the same. I've took them to the minimums really. It's about 600, I think it was. I'll just put a tape measure across. 600 and about 660. That's what it was. So now I've just got to dress it. Get my brakes on and get my gears on, and then start running cables. And things are looking good. Okay, so we've got the first brake and gear in place. Just need to, cables are there, just need fed through, and I'm just fitting this in at the moment. Go there, something like that. Just get it at the right height, and then I'll adjust them tight. I'll not fully tighten them just yet. Just get them in place for feeding the cables, basically. Temporary. So, right, let's do some cable feeding. Ugh. Okay, so we've got the gear unsorted. It's difficult to do one-handed. And another one, top one, down, down, and down, down. So that's all good. And I've just, this one's in as well, so this one works fine as well. Okay, so that's just complete. It's taken about 2 hours to do. Fully working brakes, back and front, gears all work. These are just ones I had lying around. Hand grips will do for now. But yeah, quite impressed. Looks okay. I labelled everything up. Idiot's Guide to Fixing Bikes. But yeah, one problem I did have is feeding this through the frame and out the other end. I was a bit too keen on taking it out, but I managed to fish it out with using one of the brake cables. But yeah, all is good. Gears are all functioning. It looks quite neat. So I even managed to put all the end toggles on through there as well. You see on the end ones as well. Just finishes it off. But yeah, I think all told, I think the most expensive part was the Tiagra gears. I had the 10 speed and then the 2 change for this. I think that was about £90. The bars, I think, were about £30, and that was about £30. And these were the cheapest. These were on a sale. They were like £6 each. And I got some cables, 12. I don't know, 175 quid to change the bars. No, it's not cheap. I mean, I could have used the original stem, but I wanted a bit of a lift which I've achieved on that. So yeah, that's the bike converted from drop bar to flat bar. Just over 2 hours, I would say. Time I've piddled about at the end, finishing off just the finishing touches. Thanks for watching.